Number 1.7 Paramvir Chakra, our heroes. We are continuing with meaning. First, legendary, very famous. Legendary means the people who has fighted for us, for our safety. They are still known by us. They are known as legendary people. Second, extraordinary means special, who has showed their extraordinary act front of us or action. Third, bravery or courageous, who has never feared of anything and showed their braveness. Fourth, deep means action. They have acted and showed the action for our safety. Fifth, bestowing or presenting. We are presenting them a something, a token of love. Sixth, pre-element, a greatest act. 7, posthumously, after the death of person, means posthumously means a award given to his family after the death of the person who has fighted for our country. So the medal has been given to his family in honor of him. 8, appearance means look, how that thing looks like means called as appearance. 9, civil means turn, we can see front and back. 10, replica, an exact copy means the word which has been same copy from another thing. 11, varja means a weapon. To fight with Temen or with the enemy we require a weapon, it's called a varja. 12th, engraved, cut or curve design. Engrave means to write something, name or design on any of the thing, it's called engraved. 13, thunderbolt, lighting. Thunderbolt means lighting, a flashing of the light. 14, invisible, overcomes, to overcome with all the situation as a supreme sacrifice we can say. 15, squadron, a group. Means certain groups or squadron is given to the military, police or navy officer, it's called a squadron. 16, airfield, an area for the takeoff and the landing, like how aeroplanes or helicopters are landing on certain place, like that for airfield also certain place is given, it's called as a airfield for landing and taking off. Question number 2, answer the following question. First, what is Paramvir Chakra? Paramvir Chakra is the Indian highest military decoration awarded for the most auspicious bravery of some daring or pre-element act of valor or self-sacrifice by our brave soldiers in the presence of enemy, whether on land, at sea or in the air. Paramvir Chakra medal is given to such people who has fighted for our safety and show the auspicious bravery to protect us from the enemy. It may be who has fighted on the land, on the water or on the air. This PVC chakra is given to that person. Second, what is seen on the obverse and the reverse of PVC medal? On the obverse, it has the Indian national emblem at the center surrounded by 4 replicas of Indravaja. On the reverse, the word Paramvir Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flower in between. As said you in the lesson, Paramvir Chakra is a simple appearance. In the simple medal, in that replica of Indravaja, 4 Varja weapon design has been engraved, and back side in English and in Hindi, Paramvir Chakra is been written, and with the national emblem in the between of the Indravarja, and 2 lotus flower in between English and Hindi engraved word. Who designed PVC has explained in the lesson, Savitri Bai Khanwonkar, who has designed PVC medal. Fourth, how are the brave deeds of our brave soldier honors? The brave deeds of our brave soldiers are honored by bestowing military decoration on them. This PVC medal has been given them as their bravest act for fighting with the enemy. His decoration is been known as awards. Fifth, which is the Indian highest military decoration? Well, Paramvir Chakra is the Indian famous and highest military decoration, means award. 6. Why Paramveer Chakra awarded? Paramveer Chakra is awarded for fighting with the enemy for the safety of us, which may be fighted on land, air, or on the sea. 7. What makes Indravarja thunderbolt invisible? The Indravarja thunderbolt was fashioned by the bone of slave Dalchi, and the supreme sacrifice of sledge makes the weapon invisible. Means the slave Dalchi who has sacrificed his life to save the people. So he has given up his life. 8. Where does the Indian military derive inspiration from? The Indian military people got inspiration from Slave Dalchi, who has sacrificed his life to save the other people. Through them, they got the inspiration to fight for the other people, to fight for the country, to save. They have given up their lives. So this Paramveer Chakra is holded. 9th, what military is paid tribute to this exact? Flying Officer Nirmal Jit, who has been paid a tribute, who has fighted alone to save us from the attack of Srinagar. What happened on the 10th December 1971? 1971, 14 December, there were attack of Sabra enemies. 6 Sabra enemies who attacked on the airfield of Srinagar. 11. What problem did Flying Officer Nirmal Jit encounter? He was not able to take out his airfield immediately due to the dust raised by other airfield. Thank you.